Hi, kindergartners. It is time for shared reading. Today we're going to start reading books in the motion series. Motion just means movement. You can see the motion in this book by the dotted lines. You can see the boy's crazy hair because he's in the air, and you can see the dotted lines are showing that he is bouncing up and down. This book is called Bouncing Balls by Cordelia S. Finn. Bouncing Balls by Cordelia S. Finn. Boys and girls, do you see how the dotted lines are showing the movement or the motion of the ball? In this book, we are going to see photos, labels, and you're going to notice this is a non-fiction book, which means it is a true story and has facts. A little ball can bounce. It bounces on the paddle. Boys and girls, where are these children playing? They're playing at the beach. And we see the label here that says little ball. And do you see the motion? We can see the movement from the dotted lines that these kids are using the paddle to bounce the ball back and forth. Pay attention to that as I continue to read. A big ball can bounce. It bounces on the grass. Does this photo look familiar? Yep, it's the same as on the front cover. Here's our label. This label says big ball. A fuzzy ball can bounce. It bounces on the ground. Fuzzy ball. Boys and girls, this special ball has a name. Do you know what the name of this fuzzy ball is? A tennis ball. Good job. A hard ball can bounce. It bounces on the dirt. Hard ball. Here we see where it bounced. Boys and girls, I know that you know what kind of ball this is. What is it? It's a baseball, and baseballs are hard. A softball can bounce. It bounces in the squares. Now, this is not the kind of softball that girls would use in a softball game. This is a softball that we use at school. We sometimes call it a playground ball. Now, here we see the ball is bouncing around the four-square game. If you were a child in this game, would you really see these blue dotted lines? No, you couldn't see it in real life, but the illustrator wants you to see that the ball is bouncing. A light ball can bounce. It bounces on the table. Light ball. And the word light means not heavy. Okay, so a light ball is not heavy. It's the opposite of a heavy ball, not a light like a lamp light. Light ball. What do we call this special ball? Do you know? It's a ping pong ball, and you might use it on a ping pong table. A heavy ball can bounce. It bounces on the floor. Heavy ball. What kind of ball are they calling a heavy ball? A basketball. Very good. and it bounces into the net. Swish. Swish is the sound that a basketball makes when it goes in the net and it doesn't hit the backboard and it doesn't hit the rim. If it goes right in, it says swish. Author's note. We love to play with balls. Each size and shape is good for a different game, but all of them are fun. Boys and girls, think of what kind of games you like to play with balls. Can you tell someone close to you a game that you like to play that includes balls? There are some games that we didn't include in the story, like a soccer ball or a volleyball. I hope you enjoyed our story today and that you can think of some more games to play with balls. Have a great day.